Hello, I'm Laura, Outdoor Learning Manager for Essex Wildlife Trust, and today I'm going to show you how to be a tree expert in a few simple steps. A leaf is where all the food in the world starts. Inside a leaf are hundreds and hundreds of little tiny food factories, all working to make food. The recipe for the food is quite amazing. It is water that has been sucked up from the roots and carbon dioxide from the air mixed together with a little bit of sunlight, and it makes sugar that the plant uses to grow, and it also makes oxygen that the plant or tree doesn't need, so it lets that go, and all us animals use that to breathe. The sugar is used to grow leaves, or it's taken from the tiny food factory along that little tiny line in the leaf, along the main vein, along the twig inside, where it's like a load of straws all bundled together to different parts of the tree, where it might want to make a fruit, a flower. Depending on what tree it is, it might want to grow a bit taller. But then insects like sugar too, so they might come and they might eat a little bit of the leaf, and then can you see that caterpillar and that hole on that leaf? And then a bird might come along and eat that caterpillar, and then a bigger bird might come along and eat the bird. In the autumn, all these leaves will die and fall to the ground, but before they do, the tree takes all the good green food factories and gives all the rubbish, which turns the leaf orange or red. When it falls off, it takes all the rubbish with it down to the ground, where the worms will eat the dead leaves and turn them back into soil for the tree to use and suck up in the water to make new leaves, which then grow, make food, die in the autumn, and the cycle happens all over again. Leaves come in all shapes and sizes, so we can use that to help us identify trees. Leaves have veins, hair, lobes, teeth. They can be simple or compound. This is a simple leaf, and you can see it has teeth around the edge. If you look very carefully around the edge of this beech leaf, you can see little tiny hairs. This oak leaf has lobes. So does this hawthorn leaf. Usually a leaf has one main vein up the middle, like you can see, with lots of little veins branching off it. But this sycamore leaf has 5 main veins, like a hand, and it gives it the name palmate leaf. So sycamores have palmate leaves, and so are field maple leaves, like this one here. This lime leaf is a heart shape. These leaves here are all simple leaves, but these are called compound leaves because each leaf is made up lots of little leaflets. The way you can tell is the stem of the leaf is attached and has a little nodule at the end where it's attached onto the twig. So simple leaves have this, but little leaflets, they don't have this. So we have horse chestnut is a compound leaf, ash leaves are compound leaves, then rose leaves are compound leaves, bramble is a compound leaf, and elder. So these are the leaves I collected on my walk. Maybe you would like to have a look when you go on a walk and see what leaves you can collect. If you don't know them, you could always send them to me. I'll see if I can identify them. Put a comment and a photo with this video. Well, I hope you've enjoyed watching and learning, and hopefully now when you go out you'll be able to identify trees too. There are lots of tree guides, but there's nothing better than making your own one. You can put them on a photocopier and with a bit of paper over them and make your very own identification guide to trees in your area or in your garden. I hope you have fun outside, stay safe and stay wild.